This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Gmail account that stores the photos. This ensures you export the correct data. Next, open Google Takeout and select only Google Photos or Mail attachments because smaller exports finish faster. Choose Zip and pick an archive size that balances download reliability and storage, then select Delivery as a download link or Add to Drive. This controls how you retrieve the backup. Once set, click Create Export to begin the process. Once the export starts, monitor progress in Takeout so you know when files are ready. Large libraries can take hours or days. If you picked Google Drive Delivery, open the target folder and locate the archive. If you chose email, use the provided download link. Save each. Zip to your local drive. Make sure to use stable Wi-Fi and consider a download manager for multiple or large files because interruptions can corrupt archives. When downloads finish, verify file sizes match what Takeout reported. You finish by extracting each. Zip into a dedicated backup folder and preserving the original structure, which makes later restores straightforward. Then verify by counting files and spot-checking images for corruption and metadata like dates. This tells you the backup is usable. If you encounter corrupted files or incomplete archives, rerun Takeout with a smaller max archive size or split selections, and try delivering to Drive instead. This often resolves timeout or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.